Hi everybody, thanks so much for coming back to the channel. Today we have our second spoiler from our summer 2019 Causebox. In case you don't know, Causebox is a lifestyle box that comes out quarterly and generally has 6 to 8 products worth more than $200. What we have learned about this box is that it is going to be 7 products and have a value of more than $275, and it is $54.95 if you sign up seasonally and $49.95 if you sign up annually. The difference between Causebox and many of the other boxes out there is they try to curate their products with a socially conscious mindset. They say they like to find products that not only look good but do good. Let's get into the spoilers. So today's spoiler, our second, is from Tribalive, and it is a cover-up caftan, and it looks like this. This Tribalive caftan cover-up is fitted to be flattering on all body shapes. It's made of a heavy cotton that is hand-woven in Jaipur, India, and it comes in 3 colorways: sunburst, nautical, and seafoam. So if you sign up as an annual member, you'll have your choice between those 3 colors. That is our spoiler for today. In case you've missed the other ones, I'll show it just here in a second, but if you didn't miss the first ones, thanks for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll let you know just as soon as we get our third spoiler. Talk to you soon. Bye. Okay, if you missed the first spoiler, this is what that looks like. The Quagga Green Wet Swim Pouch has a water-resistant lining made of recycled polyester and a zipper top that is waterproof sealed. It comes in 2 colorways, Seashells and Good Day, and is 10.5 by 12.5 inches. Causebox partnered with Melanie Johnson to make these 2 patterns, and I think they're really cool, and this is definitely going to be a useful bag. So that's what we have for our 2 spoilers so far for Causebox, and we should have another in a couple of days, so be sure and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the third one. Also, if you haven't entered my giveaway, be sure and go over and check it out. Tomorrow is the last day for the giveaway. Bye guys.